Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I have a quick project share. I finally got my hands on the confetti Maggie Holmes die, and I am so ecstatic, you guys. I had to play with this. I didn't create that many. I only created 6 little flowers just because I definitely wanted to try it out. I have been looking for this die for what seems like forever, and I finally came across it on eBay, and you guys, it's amazing. So if you have the opportunity to get this die, definitely get it because it's amazing. You can make so many beautiful flowers. So of course, my choice of flowers that I made first were some Halloween ones, some little spooky flowers. So I wanted to share them with you guys. The paper pad that I used is the Hocus Pocus from Michaels. And I used a little bit of some glitter glue in the middle just to give it a little extra. And then I used some Wink of Stella in the middle to give it a little shine. I also inked the edges because you guys know how much I love that. And I think they turned out so pretty, you guys. How cute does that glitter look around there? And it's not no expensive glitter, you guys. This little glitter glue that I used is from like my dollar store. But I'm absolutely obsessed. Absolutely, you hear me? I'm absolutely obsessed with how they turned out, and I cannot wait to make a bunch more using all different paper pads. I love the inked edges, how it turned out. This one I used some purple glitter glue, and you can make them in so many different ways. You can make smaller ones. I chose to make them all big because I love them like that. And this one I just put like a little glob of like hot glue and then just poured over some very fine glitter, and I like the way that one turned out. But yeah, you guys, those are the cute little Maggie Holmes flowers that I made, and you guys can do so many different sizes. It's not just those big ones. Let me show you guys what comes in the pack if you guys haven't seen it. But you get your little leaves, those little middle pieces, and then you get your little flowers, so you can make them smaller. The bigger ones that I used, that piece, another little tiny piece, your flower in the middle, and another leaf piece. So definitely check it out if you can get your hands on that. Definitely do so. It is amazing. I know it's super hard to find, sold out everywhere, but I got lucky, and maybe you guys can too. I just decided to check on eBay and it was there. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.